Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for joining me here on Exploit Security. I'm your host CyberMunky, and today we're going to be starting a new series which is hosted on Defend the Web, which you can see pulled up on the screen now. So Defend the Web is a security platform. It hosts a variety of different challenges, primarily around web application, somewhere around 60 plus different challenges that you can run through. It also has a lot of articles that you can use for learning as well. So just so we can have some variety on our channel, I'm going to jump over here. I did notice while working with Hack the Box that I had a few lacking skills that I really had to work on. So I decided to jump into some other and kind of bounce back and forth and work on Hack the Box, Defend the Web, and some more over-the-wire challenges. So I'm going to be posting all of that content as I kind of get through them. Lately I've been doing Defend the Web. I'm still on their bronze series. I'm about maybe on the 11th or 12th challenge, and I'm also doing Nodus for over the wire as well, and I'm still doing Hack the Box. Of course, we actually have the next box that we'll be posting, which is Valentine, which was a lot of fun, so I'm looking forward to posting that content as well. So if you guys do like the content, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let's go on and jump into it. So I kind of stumbled on to Defend the Web while I was doing just, my general searches, and I'm a pretty big fan of it. So we're going to start off on the first level. As you can see, the little descriptions given, we do have to find the username and password. So I did these about 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to be kind of going off of memory here. I really didn't keep any notes just because they weren't too difficult to work with, but they do get increasingly more difficult as we progress, which is to be expected. So let's go on and jump into it. So I'm just going to inspect the page source. That's usually one of the first things I have to do. And right off the bat, you can see here the username and password is posted up there. So we're just going to go ahead and copy that in. And like I said, the first couple challenges are pretty easy. It really just wants you it really wants to get you focused on looking in the right direction. So I'm going to post these series just by 1 and 1 instead of doing 1 through 5. It'll be shorter content. It'll allow people to jump in to the specific video or the specific challenge that they need help on without having to fast forward through it. So they are going to be a bit shorter. I'm not really expecting anything over than 5 minutes, but hopefully it benefits everyone. And if so, let me know down in the comments below. I'm definitely trying to get a lot of variety for content. And we're going to be doing some other type of series as well that we'll be diving into as we progress. But right now my focus is the OSCP. So I really want to start getting my thought process kind of directed there. But once the OSCP is complete, we'll definitely start jumping into some fun stuff too. I've been looking forward to kind of diving into bug bounties, which I've been kind of veering away from with, the pending OSCP. So as you guys can see, all we did was we just right clicked. And we inspected the page source. You can hit inspect element, and that is if you're going from, but it's the same on Chrome, Mozilla. I mean, it might have a different readout, but it's all the same general one. So just right click and you'll have the menu pop up where you can inspect it. And here, sometimes they have a lot of interesting information. So I definitely recommend going through here. Now, if you do decide to inspect the page element itself, it pulls this little drop down, and you can go through there as well. But personally, I kind of like to just open up a page. It gives me a better view, and I can read it a bit easier. So as you guys can see here, as you all can see here, we have the username and password posted up. So I already pasted it into the login field, and let's go ahead and see if it works. And there we go. So like I said, the challenges aren't too difficult, but if you are new and you are kind of jumping into it, they're really beneficial. So, if you're inspecting a web page or a web application, one of the top things you want to do is start inspecting the element of the page itself, which is just the background of the actual page. Everything that you're looking at, for the most part, can be located here and, in the various other sources here. So you can use that to gather a lot of information, find some breadcrumbs that can possibly take you to the next exploit or help you identify a vulnerability web application itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on and kill this video, and we are going to jump into the next one. So if you do like the content, if you are interested in seeing more, maybe you just want to have a one-on-one chat, definitely like, share, and subscribe. Post the comments down below, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Later, everyone.